Yo guys, so we're getting a new front wheel on my dirt bike for racing at the end of this month, and yeah, we already got the front wheel off, and we just sliced off, like I just used the grinder to get all these spokes like cut in half, get the front wheel delaced, everything. And here is the front wheel, how bent it is. Yeah, all right guys, so this is the front wheel. I just have it laying on the ground right here, just flat on the ground, nothing special. This is how bent it is. So it's flat right there all the way around. Watch very closely at this side. I'm gonna wiggle it around. I'm just wiggling it like this. That's how bent the thing is. That's how freaking bent it is. Yeah, it's so bad. Alright, time to take out the bearings on here and get this hub cleaned up. And no, this is not Simple Green, it's just soapy water. That's all it is. Nothing special. I gotta go get a flathead screwdriver so I can scrape all this stuff out of the middle. Now, time for this one. Alright, now I need the bearing forward.
Since you can't hold that, we're gonna fasten a holding device.
Fasten a holding device.
Some adequate spacers.
Some adequate spacers.
Yeah, okay, so that's locked down there. Send these washers up. Okay, slip that hub over that. Go ahead, slip it down. Yes, it wasn't.
Domash.
Not meant to be. There you go. One naked hub. Clean her all up. Wash her up really good.
Yeah, I know.
Tomorrow, I'll lace it up.
Yeah.
Did you put the bearings in the fridge like I showed you the other day?
I didn't touch the bearings yet.
Yeah. You might want to put them in the
Overnight?
freezer.
Overnight?
No, you put them in today.
Oh, sure. Yeah, tonight.
Yeah, because I need the bearings to do it to.
Make a choice then?
Yeah, from that one.
Oh, fuck. I thought, what was all that like DIY shit you've been doing?
Well, I'm gonna make one. DIY.
Yeah, do it. Yeah. I had to say I'm
That isn't the family discount.
what, 60? No, gee,
Alright, just leave all that there. Just clean it all up and leave it there. And then I'll,
That's it for part 1. See you in part 2.